Personal presentation and description of my family. My name is Lady Adelina Cantillo. I am 25 years old. I am from Pitalito, Huila. I study second semester of industrial engineering. I live with my husband and my two children, Alice Gabriela, Alan Fidel. My favorite past is to be with my children and watch movies with the sometimes go for a walk. I like riding and ride a bike. Next, I will introduce you to my family. My family is composed by my parents and 4 brothers. My mother is named Flor de Liquina Jazz. She is housewife. My father is Alfonso Cantillo. He works independently one them. My oldest brother, Jason Cantillo, he works in the supermarket called Justo y Bueno. Joan Cantillo works with the Éxito Company. I have 2 younger sisters, Daniela Cantillo. She lives with her husband and daughter, Samara, in the Cambulos neighborhood. My younger sister, Darlene, lives with my parents now. Thank you for your attention.